Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Club, your go-to channel for everything on 2 and 4 wheels. I'm John, and today we have something truly special for you, the brand new 2025 Ducati Scrambler. Let's dive in. Just look at this beauty. The 2025 Ducati Scrambler continues the legacy of its predecessors, but with some fantastic updates and tweaks. It's a blend of retro charm and modern innovation. Let's talk about the design. Ducati has really nailed it with this one. The classic round headlight, the minimalist bodywork, and that rugged yet refined look, it's all here. And the color options this year are just phenomenal. The new LED headlight with the signature X motif gives it a distinctive look, especially at night. And check out this tank design, it's sleek yet muscular, perfect for a scrambler. Under the hood, we have an updated 803 ccl twin engine. It pumps out more power and torque, giving you that extra oomph on both city roads and off-road trails. Plus, it's Euro 5 compliant, so it's environmentally friendly too. Comfort-wise, Ducati has made sure that this bike is a joy to ride. The seat is plush, the handlebars are perfectly positioned, and the overall ergonomics are designed to reduce fatigue, whether you're on a long ride or just cruising around town. The new digital display is another highlight. It's clear, bright, and packed with useful info. You have everything you need right at your fingertips, including Bluetooth connectivity for your phone and music. On the road, the 2025 Ducati Scrambler is a dream. It's nimble, responsive, and the suspension handles bumps like a champ. Off-road, it's equally impressive with great traction and stability. In terms of pricing, the new Scrambler is competitively priced, offering excellent value for what you get. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newbie, this bike has something to offer. So, there you have it, the 2025 Ducati Scrambler. It's stylish, powerful, and versatile, making it a perfect choice for any rider. What do you think about the new Scrambler? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews and content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.